everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the 2020 YesStyle Advent Calendar. It's a little bit early because it's not December yet, but I want to show you guys what's in this year's YesStyle Advent Calendar. I think there's a lot of different Korean skincare and beauty products, so I'm really excited. There's also going to be a giveaway for one of these Advent calendars, and all of the giveaway information will be on my Instagram. That's where you can enter the giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's begin. I'm gonna go like that so you guys can see it better. I'm gonna open that one up. We have a Fig Cleansing Balm from I'm From. Looks like this. It looks like a cleansing balm, so you know, like a makeup remover. Yeah, looks like that. I remember I used Vanilla Co.'s cleansing balm. I really liked it, but it did break me out. I'm not sure if this one would break me out or not, but we'll try it out. That's the first product. This looks also like a makeup remover. It's a cream cleanser, rose infusion cream cleanser. Just wanna, has like a rose scent. It's in this pink packaging. We have another makeup cleanser. Very nice. Oh wow. We have 5 Pink Raccoony Hydrogel Eye and Cheek Patch. Hydration Essence, Gold and Rosa, Centifolia Flower Water. So this one's an eye mask, and I guess you can also use it on the cheek, but you get 5 of those. Oh, I think this is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Roman Better Than Eyes Music Series Dry Apple Blossom. So those are the shades. It's kind of like a nice daily eyeshadow palette. I've used the Roman Better Than Eyes eyeshadow palette before and I liked it, so I think this one too. I've never used this shade before, but it looks like a nice daily eyeshadow palette. We have a glitter and then 3 matte shades. So we have an eyeshadow palette, very, very nice. We have a Cell Energy Mask Formula from Troy UK. Is that how you pronounce it? This one is supposed to be a mask that removes impurities softly. You apply it on the skin, leave it for around 5 to 10 minutes, and remove with disposable wipes and warm water. This one is Claire's Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. So this is the next item, and this one is an oil drop. So I think it's kind of like a lighter version of like an oil because it is really, really watery. So we have that as well. This is from Moonshot. It's the Tint Fit Shine in the shade Mood Berry. I think it's like a lip tint. Yeah, like this kind of shade. But yeah, we have that as well. This is the Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Cream. It's from the brand Pyongyangyo. It's in this like packaging. And then we have the eye cream in here. I'm just gonna put some on my hands and then see what it's like, the formula. Ooh, it's like very creamy, and I could see how it's gonna be like really moisturizing because I feel like it's kind of oily. But oh yeah, like just like applying it, it does even look a little bit smoother. But anyway, so that's the eye cream. We have some more face masks. Oh, this is not a face mask, this is a foot mask. Okay, so this is the a Relax Day foot peeling mask. Looks like that. If you look in the back, it shows you how to use it. So I guess like there's like a mask and then you just put your feet in there and it's supposed to like make it softer, I guess. It says you have to put this on for 60 to 90 minutes. Oh wow. The next product, we have a cream, calming, sebum control and soothing, centella. Calms down sensitive skin. I feel like every time I've used anything with like Cica Care in it, my skin didn't break out and it seemed to really soothe my skin. So I'm excited to try this one as well because I was running out of my Cica Care cream. So yay! So this is an eye glitter from Matte Queen. It's in the shade Orange Topaz. That's what it looks like. It's like in a doe foot applicator. Ooh, it's like in this orange shade. Very glittery. Number 12 is right here. Mascara contains collagen to protect eyelashes and help smooth curling without clumping and smearing. I wonder what the wand looks like. Oh, the wand looks like that. So you also get a mascara. This one is by Wish Trend. It's a sulfur 3% clean gel. For spot area, please apply on spots by using cotton swabs as the last step of skincare. For entire face, spread thinly at the last step of skincare. If you get like a pimple, I guess like you can just put it on there, and then, you know, like the acne spot treatments, I guess it's kind of like that. I'm gonna have to look this one up and see what the product is, but you do also get this one. For number 14, we have the All Care Recovery Cica Aid Patch, Acne Patch. Oh, centella extract. Yeah, so this one kind of sounds like it's a pimple patch, but it also recovers because of like the centella extract in it. But I'm excited because, like I said, I do like Cica Care products. So you get a pimple patch. We have from the brand Unique, the Black Snail Restore Serum. Powerful skin restore, nourishing and lifting, brightening and wrinkle care. Like that. And it's a dropper, so like that. Oh, it's like very, like, it looks sticky, kind of. Oh no, it's pretty light. This is a Pure Fit Cica powder, multi-purpose Cica powder that can be mixed in various skincare products to calm the skin. So I guess with this Cica powder, you can make like any normal toner or serum into kind of like a Cica Care product, which is really interesting. I'm really excited because I like Cica Care products. So yeah, you get a Cica powder. This is a brightening sleeping mask. I really like yuja cha, like yuja tea, and hopefully it smells like that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like yuja cha. This is by the brand Some by Me. Smells really, really nice. I like citrusy smells, so we have that one as well. Clavu Urban Pearl Station Velvet Lipstick in the shade number 5 Marcella. Looks like that. Kind of looks like a lip balm. Okay, so that is the shade. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it's like a nice red shade. It's like a pink red shade. Number 19 we have from Immi Lip Jelly in the shade number 2 Berry Jelly. Oh, how cute! Oh, this is a tint gloss, but there's also hearts in there. Like, does the heart come out like if I use it? This is the applicator. So I guess the hearts stay in there. So cute! Next we have Essence. 8 types of hyaluronic acid, moisturizing essence for dry skin, strengthens the weakened skin barrier, boosts hydration for skin. Perfect because I have very dry skin. It's also like a dropper. Yeah, we have the Essence as well. This one is an AC Clear Spot Magic Powder, and it's from the brand The Plant Base. But it says it's a powder, but it's like a very watery mixture, if you guys can see. I guess this one is a spot treatment. And I'm still a bit confused because it says powder, but it is like a watery formula, but maybe that's just what they call it. But yeah, we also have another spot treatment. We have more face masks. It's called the Probiotics Relief Mask. A probiotics mask with super probiotics helps to control skin condition, creating a luminous and healthy looking skin. So we have 5 face masks. Excited to try these out as well. And by the looks of it, like feeling it, it seems like there's a lot of product in here. So number 23. This is the VDL Lumilayer Primer. I think the primer I used before was like oh yeah, I didn't use this one before. It was a different, they have like different types of primers, and I used like the other ones, but this one is, I think, their original primer. Ooh, smells really nice. I like VDL's base makeup products, so We have a primer, really nice, kind of has like a glow. So the last item in the advent calendar for day 24 is a face contour lookbook. That's the palette, and then if you open it up, oh, so it's not a contouring palette, it's like highlighter, blush, and contour. So these are all highlighters, contour, and blushes. So it's like a face palette. Alright, so we opened up the advent calendar, we looked at all 24 days, and we got all the products out. I feel like most of the items are Korean skincare products, but you do get a few makeup products as well. And also just a reminder, thank you so much to YesStyle for doing a giveaway. So if you guys want to enter, you can head over to my Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.